Alright, I'm going to put the fittings in the new hot water heater and get it ready to put back in the camper. Try to get some of this going. See how this goes. Some people use white and blue. This is kind of a clear. That's what we had. This was donated by a friend. Got some Teflon tape on it. I'll get that started. Okay. That goes in the cold. The white or the clear go in the cold. The red goes in the hot. Obviously. Maybe not so obviously for some people. Anyway, those fittings are 7/8, so gonna get them in there snug. Don't want to get too crazy with them. You may eventually have to pull them out again. As you can see, I'm not putting a lot of stress on this. That's a big wrench, so it gives you a lot of leverage. So it needs to be in there 2 or 3 turns anyway. Alright. Okay. I'm going to put just a couple more turns on this. And then stick it in the hole. Try to get it to fit. May have to do a little work on the side on the camper. Had struggled with the gas line there. I guess that's a common issue, but there's a 2x2 or a 1x2 or something that sits right here, and the gas line was a struggle to get through there. I may notch it. So anyway, keep watching.